With just 6,000 naira, I made 15 liters of toilet wash. That's as at March 2025. Just imagine what 15 liters of toilet wash will do for you. As for me, it lasts up to 6 months in my house. Let's get right into it. All ingredients used will be listed in the comment section or description box. Please do well to check them out as you keep watching. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Also, please drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond. Kindly keep watching.